Hi, I'm Joe Templin. I'm the author of the Amazon Kindle #1 new release in professional development, Everyday Excellence. And I have 3 hooligan children, my boys. And I learned something working with them, trying to help them with their schoolwork, which I should have learned decades ago as a coach. And unfortunately, I didn't until my kids started disrupting their classroom and causing problems. Tree. But one of the things that I taught my kids was that I care about 2 things. I don't care about what grade they ultimately get. I don't care about whether they scored 5 goals in the soccer game or they won the race. I care about 2 things. I care about their effort and I care about their attitude. If they have good effort and good attitude, they will succeed because they are wicked smart and will have the outcomes that are desired. But if they do not have a good attitude, then they're not going to be able to get the maximum benefit from anything that they're involved with. And if they don't have good effort, they're never going to reach their full potential. And they're setting a bad example for other individuals. They will know they still had more in the tank. And as such, they should be disappointed in themselves. Thus, I want to instill the professional pride in them early on that they will carry into their sports, into scouts, into their friendships and relationships, and ultimately into the work world. This is the most important thing. So if you want the 2 keys to being excellent, have good effort, have good attitude, and then you will be able to make it an excellent day. Be excellent and grow today.